Make your teeth white at home after only 3 minutes. A 100% proof of efficacy. Everyone desires whiter teeth, thick hair and eyebrows, and pink lips. These things make the picture whole. Today we will talk about the former. White teeth are a dream for many people, and that's why they spend a fortune on over-the-counter teeth whitening products and treatments. However, there are natural solutions to this issue. The natural remedies are safer, cheaper, and even more effective. The teeth come yellow due to various reasons. Some of the major culprits are considered to be genetics, the food and drink people consume regularly, and poor oral hygiene. The tooth is made up of 4 tissues: enamel, dentin, pulp, and cementum. It's usually the enamel and dentin that play the biggest role in color. Hence, the remedies used for whitening the teeth will focus on removing stains from the enamel. One of the best natural remedies for whitening the teeth are baking soda and lemon juice. The combination of these 2 ingredients is extremely effective. Baking soda is mildly abrasive, which means that it will gently scrub the surface stains and return the natural white color. Moreover, baking soda will balance the pH of the mouth. On the other hand, lemon juice is a natural bleaching agent. Here's how to prepare and use the combination of these amazing ingredients. Baking soda and lemon juice paste. Ingredients: several teaspoons of baking soda. Enough lemon juice or water to form a paste. A toothbrush. Instructions: first, mix the baking soda with enough fresh lemon juice to make a paste. Then, wipe your teeth from any extra saliva off of them using a paper towel. You should put a good amount of paste onto your toothbrush and apply to your teeth. Leave it to act for 1 minute and then rinse it off.